How do you market your print-on-demand product on Instagram? Whenever selling products online, Instagram can be your best friend or your enemy. Depends on how you use it. Because I see so many print-on-demand sellers selling actually good products, but they make no sales from Instagram because they either don't understand the algorithm, they don't understand the platform, or they don't understand their clients and what they want to see. So in this video, we will break this down, exactly how to make product sales for your Printify print-on-demand business with Instagram. So let's get started. First things first, I'm using Printify as my print-on-demand platform because it is the most reliable one. It has suppliers worldwide that you can choose from. So you can choose a US supplier, you can choose Europe suppliers, and the quality of the products, as you can see, is really good. I went ahead and created a print-on-demand brand for embroidered hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, and more products coming soon. You can see the full series in the link below. And I talked a lot about how I would be using TikTok as a marketing strategy, so for me to get sales. But Instagram is also one of the platforms that I'm going to be using to get those sales and to build an actual brand and a community around my brand. And I want to share with you exactly how you can do that for your print-on-demand products as well. So first things first, your photos strategy. So the mock-ups that you get from Printify or from your print-on-demand brand are great, but those are not the photos that you want to post on your social media because you want to create ones that represent your brand. So what you have to do, and what I did, was order samples of some of the products. If your products are similar and very similar towards each other, like mine are, for example, is just a smiley face saying, you don't have to order and have every single product at home, but you need to order a multitude of them so you can have them for photos and for your social media content like reels, carousels, and again, photos, professional photos. So when you shoot your Printify products, you think, how would a real customer wear this? Where would they be? What feeling should this give? So in one of my previous videos, I talked about how I asked ChatGPT to generate an actual photo shoot with these products in the style that I gave them, so it can give me an idea of exactly how to do those photos. If you don't know, it can give you guidelines of lighting, exactly how to position your models, exactly how to accessorize them, and all these things. So use AI as inspiration and then take your own photos for your products. So instead of just using hoodies on white backgrounds, you can do lifestyle shots, close-ups of the embroidery, mirror selfies, super good on social media, detail photos, cozy aesthetic setups. So these are a few examples that I generated with AI, and a few examples of what I did for my photo shoots and of what you can do as well. Because good product photos don't only help clients trust your brand before they even purchase your product, but through those photos you make your clients understand that you are a real brand with a real community, and they can get the feel of your brand from your photos. They can see your personality as a brand owner or as a model, and it leads them one step closer to purchasing your products. And for Instagram, I suggest Reels to be your main focus. As with TikTok, you can create Reels every single day. You can do normal Reels, and then once you get a following, you can start trial Reels as well. And with Reels, not everything has to be unique, especially since you have a handful of products. You can change the hook, change the ending of the reel, and then keep the middle the same for 5 reels, for example, but post them one per week, and then in between post different types of reels. Another really good strategy you can use with reels is see what's already working for other print-on-demand brands or other apparel brands on the platform. Look at their hook, look at the sound they used, the style of the reel. Did they make it a funny reel? Did they make it a styling video? And then try and create those types of reels for your brand as well. So to research viral trends for your reels on Instagram for your print-on-demand or apparel brand, you can scroll reels for 15 minutes and see what's coming up, what's performing right now, and save top performing videos. Look at the comments and check what hook they used as well and what sound is trending. Then ask yourself, how can this work for my brand? So do not copy that exact video, but adapt it to your brand. So how do you turn those trends into your own ideas or to fit your own brand? For example, let's say that a trend is saying, POV, you finally found your style. You can turn it into POV, you finally found the hoodie that matches your personality. Same trend, but your product is a star, it is funny, it leads people to see, okay, what's this hoodie all about? what does it say, and it gets them to check out the brand. It's also really important that when you post Reels, TikToks as a brand on social media, people don't need to know that you're a brand until they check your profile image and your profile in general. So don't post as a brand and be like, here are our products, buy them. Be there as the brand owner, as the face of the brand, as an employee of the brand, doesn't matter, but be there to showcase your personality and to reach the people through your content, and don't just talk as you are a product and nothing else. Next, carousels. You can use carousels for your Instagram marketing strategy, for your print-on-demand brand, and it is really easy to do with Printify products as well. So you can use carousels to tell the brand story, explain the message, show details, compare colors, or you can use them for behind the scenes, how the product is made or how the product arrives, a sample for example, Printify quality and sizing guides. These are tips that you can use for your brand as well. And for carousels, you can also make them funny, make the products the start of the carousels, but with a good strategy, keeping the same brand vibe. Of course, the profile optimization is also super important in Instagram because Instagram favorites niche accounts and accounts that are really well optimized. So turn your account into a business profile, make sure to add a clear title, a good bio that gets people to click the link in the bio as well, add profile highlights, post stories every day, and be consistent with content. These are also super important tips. If you want to use hashtags, they are recommended up to 5 or 10 hashtags. But don't be like e-commerce brand, clothing on every single one of them. Be like funny hoodie, funny gift idea, and things that people would actually search for on Instagram. You don't have to be perfect with your content. Again, you can film content with your phone. Just post yourself walking towards a mirror and put a funny trending sound over it. And you don't have to be perfect, just be consistent and try to post 4 to 5 reels a week, 1 to 2 carousels, and a few photos each week, and a few stories each day, and you're good to go. So these are the best tips to start marketing your Printify print-on-demand products on Instagram. If you have any more tips, make sure to leave them in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos, and you can check out this entire series on my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!